This is how to add a PDF in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you can create a new project or you can open one. Let's say we'll open this report. Then we will go to File. Then we will click Upload File. We will select Files. Then we will upload a PDF file. We'll open. And you can view your uploaded PDF file on the left panel. So here is your PDF file. So this is how to add a PDF in Overleaf.